Hello everyone, my name is Ashwini Tejas. I came to know about this NIECCE Institute through Google advertisement. When I came here, Deepa ma'am convinced me so much. Now I am proudly say that I am a student of NIECCE Institute. Here all the faculties are excellent. They teach their teaching in a passionate way. Now I can see the difference in myself. Now how I was before and how I am now, it's a lot of different. I got so much knowledge about the teaching professions, and now I would like to say thank you for Sanjay sir, Girish sir, Tejasvi sir, Anita sir, Anita ma'am, Mumu ma'am, and Rabia ma'am, and so many faculties are excellent faculties. Now I highly recommend for who are searching for the training. Now I would like to say you can just join the NIECCE Institute without thinking so much. Thank you.